Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. In the intro video, I showed you this card here that I made with the new Delicate Dream Designer Series paper and a blueberry bushel card base and accents. This one we're going to step it up just a little bit and use strawberry slush. So I'm using Pretty in Pink and Strawberry Slush as my paper and my ink colors. My card base is Strawberry Slush. Then I did the two dies. So this one and this one. This one I did in Strawberry Slush. This one I did in Pretty in Pink. And I used adhesive paper on the Pretty in Pink so that I could overlay it nicely without any glue. This is also Strawberry Slush Open Weave Ribbon, which is new as well. And then I used the dies to do a Pretty in Pink base to put under my Strawberry Slush overlay. Now they don't fit exactly. There's just a little bit of a gap all the way around, but I'm not too worried about that. I did do the Strawberry Slush piece on adhesive paper as well. I've stamped my greeting and die cut it out. And I didn't have designer series paper that I wanted to use for this that I felt was quite right, so I made my own. I used the leaf stamp here in Pretty in Pink and then the flower stamp here in Strawberry Slush, and I just stamped it all over to create my own designer series paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to peel the backing off of this piece and I'm going to adhere my circle to it. So let's just start peeling this just carefully so we don't tear any of those leaves in the middle. I'm just going to work my way around until I can peel all of the paper off. And let's just come in and pick this piece up here. And there we go. Okay, so I'm actually going to do this upside down so I can see how to place the Pretty in Pink piece best. So I know I want to come right up to the edge all the way around. So I've lined that up and we are good. You can still see a little bit, but it's pretty darn close. Okay, so I'm going to flat mount this. So I'm just going to put some adhesive on the back of this, like this. Okay, and I'm going to adhere it to my designer series paper. There's a reason I haven't, or my one sheet wonder, the base that I created. I'm just going to decide which way up I want this, and it's going to go like that. But before I do that, I'm actually going to add these pieces to the sides. I'm just going to hide that stem and pop it on like that. Just wanted that little bit of contrast to how this looked. So we've got the Pretty in Pink base with the Strawberry Slush top. Add a little bit more adhesive here. And then we've got Pretty in Pink accent with the Strawberry Slush base. Okay, and that is going to go down like that. So I'm just going to add some adhesive to the back of these pieces just to help adhere them down. Here we go. And so this is going to pop down like this. Okay, and my greeting is going to go over here like this. But first I'm going to put some ribbon around it. So we'll do that. Like I say, if I'd have done the paper first, I would have forgotten to do the ribbon. So I'm just going to pop this around like this, while making sure that I have this so that I can center this. Yes, I can. Okay, so we're just going to pop that around. And now I can adhere this whole unit to the card base. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we've got our Strawberry Slush card base. We're just going to lay that down equal side and top and bottom, and then we'll be even. So there we go. We're just going to give that a good press down there. We put some dimensionals on this piece here. So one in each corner. And I love that all of the greetings in the set fit in this die cut. So let's just peel this last one off. And I am really excited to be using one of the new sets. I'm just going to tuck that down like that. We're straight. And then I took my Strawberry Slush dark marker or blends, and I colored some of the antique pearls. And I am just going to pop them down like this. Just along the bottom, just to bring, kind of balance the focus. We've got lots of focus here, balance the focus here. So this is our first card. This is where I started. And then this is it just stepped up a little bit with our own paper in the background that we've stamped with the images from the set, and then just adding a bit more detail. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.